Yeah, good day to you all. Welcome to Danfo Academy. So today we'll be talking about hybridization. Talking about the hybridization, it is the mixture of atomic orbitals. An example of this is Sp3, Sp2, and Sp1. Now, this Sp3, when you say Sp3, it means it's an hybrid of x orbital plus p orbital plus p plus p. When you say Sp2, it means hybrid of s plus p plus what? P. When you say Sp, it means hybrid of x plus p. So that's it. Now, what's the shape of this s orbital? You should know that the shape of this s orbital is always spherical, while the shape of p orbital is always dome shell. Now you have your p, you can have your p as the px on. It comes like this, it forms small like this around the x-axis. This is called the what? Px. Sometimes you can have it around the y-axis too, which gonna form something like this. This is for the what? Py, as you can see here. Now you can also have for the pz. To have for the pz, it has to be slant. It can come in shape somehow like this here, then comes like this. This is what for the pz. So now when they're talking about the electronic configuration of carbon, you have your 1x1 here, which has two spins like this. You have your 2x2 here, which also have two spins like this. You also have your 2p, which has what? Three spins, 1, 2, and 3 here like this. Sorry, I mean this is not part of it for right now, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have this here. You have this to be your what? P orbital, which is 2p orbital. So this is gonna be what? 2p here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when you're talking about the hybridization, so now we're talking for the Xp3 hybridization. For Xp3 hybridization for carbon, that is your x plus p plus p plus p. Now this is gonna be what? This actually we move to this line, because this is your what? 2px, this is your 2py, and this will be your what? 2pz. This one here we move here, so it's gonna be somehow like this. The Xp3 hybridization will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have your x, p, p, p here. Now looking into this, as you can see, we can say this s has 25%, while 1, 2, 3 has what? 75%. So the newly hybridized is gonna be close to where p is, because p has what? Larger amounts here. So that's it. Now talking about the Sp2 hybridization, which is gonna be combination of what? X plus p plus p. So now looking into this, as you can see, this is gonna equate to you having one s here, then one p here, then one p here. What about the 2pz? It becomes what? Unhybridized. It shifts to the up, goes to the up like this, moves to the up like this. 2p, this becomes the, that is our 2pz is what? Unhybridized. So you still have your 2p, you have your s here, sorry, you have s here, you have your 2px here, you have your what? 2pz here. So this is unhybridized. So you may be asked, in Sp2, which one is unhybridized? It is this that is unhybridized. Now looking into this, we have your spp here. So that sees the newly formed hybridized, it's gonna be 33% of what? S and 67% of what? P. So it's still gonna be near to where p orbital is. So now talking about the Sp hybridization, that is gonna be what x plus p is gonna be what 50% plus what 50% here. So now it means you are having two unhybridized, that is your 2py and your 2pz is what unhybridized. It's only gonna be what x plus what p, that is your x with your p x. These are the two words hybridized, so it's gonna be between the s orbital and the what p orbital. So now let's talk about the shape. Actually, the shape for S is what spherical, while the P is for what dumbbell shape. Now talking about the shape of the Xp3. Xp3 is always what tetrahedral, while your Xp2 is always pyramidal, or you call it what triangular in shape. Why your Sp2 rather is what pyramidal or triangular in shape, while your Sp is always what linear. Now this has an angle of 109.5, while your Sp2 has an angle of what 120 degree, while this linear, the Sp has the angle of what 180 degree. So I think that's it for hybridization. So I think you really enjoyed this lesson, so please subscribe to our channel, which is Down for Academy. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.